Hello and welcome to GT eForms 3.x, Functional Fluid Forms for PeopleSoft. If you watched the last video in the series, you saw me quickly create an award nomination form plus add data intelligence using only configuration. In this video, we'll make the user experience dynamic using the logic engine. Let's start with showing only the individual award segment when nominating an individual. Navigate to GT eForms Setup, then to the individual award segment. This if icon lets us configure a GT visual if. A visual if is a logical statement to decide whether something is true. Click the icon to open the logic engine. Configure an expression to show the individual nomination segment when this statement is true. The nomination type field is equal to I for individual, and only when the user has actually made a selection for that field. Then name it and save it. Next, let's set up a condition on the team segment. Click the visual if on the team segment and configure it to show if the nomination type is equal to T for team. Let's hide the total amount until the nomination type is selected as well. Okay, let's take a look. Now when the form opens, I have to select the nomination type. Then the form shows me the segment I need to fill out. The logic engine provides powerful configuration options, and you can set them up all over the GT eForms framework, even for a single field. Let's set up the Achievement Details field to show just for individual nominations. Click the Field Details icon to access more field settings. Use the Show setting and update it to Dynamic, and configure a visual if. I'm going to use a saved visual if to make configuration even easier. Now this expression will also decide if this field should show. The result is a conditional and dynamic form that responds to user input. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video where we use the workflow engine to configure a flexible approval workflow.